Hi everybody, and welcome to the 7th Annual Share Museums East and UCM Collections Care Conference. And the title for this year's conference is Shared Knowledge, Sustainable Future. The inspiration behind this year is the 17 UN Sustainable Development Goals. What do these goals mean for us as a sector, how we can best meet them, how we're already achieving these aims, and how we as a sector can inspire others to follow them. My name is Mathew Lowe, and I'm the Collections Manager for the University Museum of Zoology in Cambridge. And just reading through the 17 goals set out by the UN, I realised that there's so many things that we already do to help achieve these aims, but there's so much more. And hopefully as a result of this conference, we'll all bounce off ideas from each other and do a little bit more as a sector. So the conference starts on Thursday. It begins on Thursday morning, the 28th, in which we'll be having a coffee morning hosted by Lib Fox, and which we'll be having an informal chat, catch up with colleagues, share some of the ideas and discuss some of the presentations that hopefully you will have already seen via the UCM YouTube channel. That's followed on the afternoon of the 28th with a question and answer session hosted by myself with the 4 speakers I'll describe in a little bit. And on the 29th, the Friday, we will have 2 workshops. One by Lorraine Finch on how to conduct a sustainability audit for your organisation. And the second by Ben Mellum, who will be discussing caring for your collections without it costing the earth. The 4 presentations on Thursday afternoon, as I say, hopefully will all be on the UCM YouTube channel pretty soon. One is by Ben Mellum, who is the Director of Mortis Consulting, and that is a friendly introduction to caring for your collections without it costing the earth. Achieving UN Sustainable Development Goals with collections care. The second will be by Lorraine Finch, who is the Director of LF Conservation and Preservation, running a sustainable business in the heritage sector. The third, Helena Jask, is on the 2020 Pest Partners Project. Helena is the Regional Conservation Development Officer for Southwest Museums Federation, so I'll be looking forward to that. And the fourth will be by Douglas Kent, who is the Technical and Research Director for the Society and Protection of Ancient Buildings, and he will be discussing energy efficiency in historic buildings. As I say, all of these talks will be available either now or eventually online via the UCM YouTube channel. And I just want to finish off by saying I look forward to seeing you on Thursday and to extend a thanks to Ruth, Deborah and Natasha and the entire Share team for organising this year's conference. See you Thursday.